Divi does not have a built-in bar chart module. Its bar counters module only supports single-line horizontal bars. That's why the DiviFlash bar chart module was introduced for Divi. With this module, you can create vertical, horizontal, and stacked bar charts. You can enter data manually or import it from external sources. You can customize datasets, axes, tooltips, and animations. In this video, we will create a bar chart in Divi step by step. Here's a quick look at what we're building today. It's a bar chart titled Decision Trends Over Time. It shows 7 days of the week from Saturday to Friday. It has 3 datasets. Accepted is shown in green. Escalated is shown in blue. Rejected is shown in red. The y-axis runs from 0 to 100. The animation plays while the bars are in the viewport. By the end of this video, you'll have this exact chart built on your own site. Before we start, make sure you have the latest version of Divi installed. Also make sure the latest version of DiviFlash is installed and active on your website. Before we insert anything, let's confirm the module is turned on. From your WordPress dashboard, go to DiviFlash. Click on Modules, look under the Dynamic category, find Bar Chart. Make sure the toggle beside it is switched on. Go to All Pages inside WordPress dashboard. Edit the page with Divi where you want your chart. This will open the Divi Visual Builder. We already have a section here. Let's add a row. Module list will show up automatically. Search for bar chart. Click on it to insert the module. You will see 2 default datasets already in place. Let's delete those. We will build 3 datasets from scratch. For the first dataset, click Add New Item and enter your values. Set the dataset name to Accepted. Click Add New Dataset to create a second one and a third. You can populate each one with your own values and dataset name. We'll speed up the video here. In this example, we're naming them Escalated and Rejected. Okay, all our datasets have been added. Now let's explore and customize the bar chart module according to our needs. Open the data source section. This shows you how the chart is pulling in its data. Manual is selected by default. That's what we're using in this walkthrough. Notice you also have other options here. You can connect a Google Sheet. You can pull from a CSV URL. You can even pull from a JSON URL. For our chart, we'll stay with manual. Open General Settings. You'll see some default chart labels already there. Let's delete those first. Click Add New Item. Set the name to SAT, the short form of Saturday. Do the same for the rest. Add 6 more items. These become the 7-day labels along the bottom of your chart. While we're in this section, notice the chart variant field. There are 4 options here: vertical, horizontal, vertical stacked bar, and horizontal stacked bar. Try switching between them to see how the chart changes. For our chart, we'll keep it on vertical bar. Click on Chart Title. Type a title for your bar chart. By default, the title sits at the top of the chart. There's also a title position field. Try setting it to right, and the title rotates along the side of the chart. For our chart, set it back to top. Now open the Legend tab. Here you can turn the legend feature on or off. You can set its position in 4 different options. For our chart, set the legend position to top. Lastly, set the legend alignment. We will keep it at the center. Then we have Tooltip and Values. Tooltip is turned on by default, and we'll keep it as is. Next up, we have Axis Control. For the X-axis, you have the option to turn it off or add a title. You can also turn off the grid lines on the X-axis. In our case, we'll keep those on. Then go to the Y-axis. Make sure Show Y-axis is turned on. Turn on Show Y grid lines. Turn on Begin at 0. Set the Y-axis minimum to 0. Set the Y-axis maximum to 100. Set the Y-axis step size to 20. Okay, we're done setting things up. Now it's time to style our chart. Let's style each dataset first. Click the pencil icon beside a dataset. Go to the Design tab. Open Bar Style. For the first dataset, set the bar color to something green. Make the bar hover color a slightly darker shade of that same green. Leave the border width at 0 pixels. Notice the gradient section below it. Turning this on fades the bar between two colors. For our chart, we'll keep the colors flat, so leave gradient turned off. Now do the same for the second dataset, but choose blue this time. And for the third dataset, go with red. Same pattern each time. Pick your color, darken it slightly for the hover state, and keep the border at 0. We have our datasets styled. Now let's click back on the main bar chart settings. From there, go to the Design tab. Open Chart Sizing. Set the chart height to 600 pixels to make the chart look a bit longer. Then open Bar Appearance. Set the bar width to 60%. Set the category width to 65%. Here you can set the bar border radius. We'll keep this as it is. Now open Grid Lines. Set the grid color to a light gray with 10% opacity. Leave the grid line width at 1. Now for the typography. Under Title, set the font to Space Grotesque. Set the title font weight to bold. Set the title text size to 26 and the title text color to black. Now for the legend, tooltip, and axis ticks. We'll set the font family to inner and the font size to 13 pixels real quick. Lastly, we have chart animation. Turn on Enable Animation. Set the animation easing to ease out quad. Turn on Animate on Scroll. This means the bars animate into place the moment they enter the viewport. We also have controls like sizing, spacing, border, box shadow, and more, like any other Divi module. If you need them, feel free to use those as well. Now let's save and preview this on the front end. Your bar chart is now live on the page, and this is how it looks. As you can see, it animates on each load. You can also hover over a bar to see the tooltip. Now you know how to create a bar chart in Divi using DiviFlash's bar chart module. You can build vertical, horizontal, and stacked bar charts. You can use manual or external data sources. You can customize datasets, axes, tooltips, legends, and animations. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay connected with DiviFlash. I'll see you in the next one.